Hi there, welcome to channel. Want to download any video from Twitter? Whether you're using an iPhone, Android, Mac or PC. This quick guide will show you how to save Twitter videos for free in HD and without any watermark. Let's get started. How to download Twitter videos on Android. Open the Twitter app and find the video you want to download. Tap the share icon. Then tap Copy Link. Open Chrome or any browser on your phone and search Twitter Video Downloader. Open asktwitter.com and then paste the video link. Tap on Download. Now select the video quality you want. The video will automatically save to your Downloads folder. And that's it. Now you know how to download Twitter videos on Android. If you're using an iPhone, Mac or PC, no stress, the process is pretty much the same. Just follow the same steps and download the video on iPhone, Mac and PC in no time. If this helped you out, drop a like, comment with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next one.